Hey, what is up, everyone? Happy Sunday. I'm going to open this 1999 Fairfield 150 card blister pack. I can get into it easily, hopefully. I'm going to cut it. Don't forget, we got a 250 subscriber giveaway. If your name isn't on that list right there, then all you gotta do is leave a comment to be entered. Let's see. Got one stack out. This is not easy. I like to put the best cards on the top and bottom. There's the Vladimir Guerrero rookie. Let's see if I can get these other ones out. Also, go and check those channels out too if you have time. Pretty sure everybody there makes content. Maybe one or two that doesn't. If you want to fast forward through this, go ahead. Man, that was hard to do there. We have a Kenny Lofton from Omega. Very difficult to get those out. Let's see here. Carl Willis, Shane Mack, Carmelo Martinez, Mike Schmidt, Rick Russell. There's a nice Steve Carlton. What I need to do is I need to move these over here. Put good stuff there. Ron Pruitt, Bill Duran, Jack Morris, All-Star. Shout out to Lisa Z. Steve Bichelle, Randy Myers, Willie Wilson, Tom Underwood, Steve Henderson, Joe Cowley, Bob Patterson, nice George Brett, Dante Bichette, rookie card, Rick Russell, Steve Rogers, Jim Bibby, Tom Foley, Ronnie Moffitt, Billy Swift, Scott Geralt, Herman Rivera, Dave Winfield, put that over there, Ted Simmons with the Brewers, All-Star, Ivan Caldron, Rangers leaders, Jack Clark, Butch Waniger, Frank White, Mark Langston, and the move on. For the first stack, next one we have Jim Edmonds. Was a great player. We'll put that one over there. Mike Greenwell, Jeff Houston. Looks like we have a bunch of upper deck. And put the Nolan Ryan over there, ready to pitch. John Dobson, Brian Holman, George Canal, Brian DuBois, Benny Dystra, Mike Dyer, Tony Fernandez, Hubert Brooks, Bob Boone, Bob Guerin, Kevin Batiste, Harold Baines, we'll put him over there, Mark Guthrie, Ken Anderson, Chip Hill, Jose Cano, Jose De Jesus, maybe, Blaine Beatty, Big Cat, Andres Galarraga, Pete Harnish, Miguel Garcia, Ellis Burks, nice Doc Gooden there. Shout out to Tim at Cornet Collections, Bobby Bonilla, Tim Belcher, Jack Daugherty, Kevin Blankenship, Tom Bernowski, Roger Clemens, Jay Buhner, Steve Carter, Andre Dawson, Jeff Brantley. Nice Julio Franco. Let's see what we got here. On the back card was Barry Bonds from the Omega. We got the Vladimir Guerrero Sr. rookie card. Mike Hartley, Ricky Jordan, Kerry Woodson, Felix Furman, Joel Johnston, Jose Melendez, Luis Rivera, Sam Horn, Dennis Cook, Rene Gonzalez, Mike Fetters, Dave West, Tommy Green, Tom Foley, Alan Mills, William Pennyfeather, Ken Patterson, Mackie Sasser, Tom Bernowski, Mark Langston. We got Cal Ripken Jr. there. Looks like Kenny Lofton too on a checklist. Rob Nichols. Whoa. Mike Pagliarillo. Not sure. Delano DeShields. Esther Beltre. Might be Alan Trammell on that one. Not sure. Save it for Lisa. Jose Vizcaino, Tom Benzinger, Estee Beltre. Alright, we got a duplicate. Mo Sanford, it said no duplicates. Jeremy Burnett, rated rookie. That used to be a good card. Scott Herman, Dennis Rasmussen, Nigel Wilson, Manuel Lee, Steve Frey, David Need, Leaf. On there, sorry about the dog barking. Mike Schmidt, Swinging Fences. I like that one. My apologies if I scared anyone. We got from Leaf Deacon, Scott Leas, Kurt Manwaring, Kevin Sizer from 87 Donors, Blue Border, Dante Bichette, Steve Sachs, Ken Hill, Sean Bosky, Daryl Kyle, Derek Bell, Jim Catfish Hunter, nice one there. The Blue Border from 87 Donors. Highlights box, Tom Foley, Bobby Thickman, Tony Fernandez, Ozzie Guillen, Pete O'Brien, Chris Bando, Bob Brimley, Rafael Palmeiro, Sweet Bo Jackson from 1989 All-Star Game. Great card there. Love that one. And we got a Dale Murphy Highlights Player of the Month April from 85 Donors. Shout out to Zach's Sports Cards and Collectibles. Kenny Rogers, Tim Naring, Jack Armstrong, Alvin Davis, Ben McDonald, Scott Erickson, Mike, Charlie Hayes, Father Brian Hayes, Anthony Young, Joel Skinner, Dean Palmer, Juan Nieves, first no-hitter for Brewers, Kevin Bass, and Tim Burke. Alright. I appreciate you watching, and we got some pretty decent cards there. I'll go back over them kind of quickly. There, I love the Bo Jackson. Probably going to be my favorite one from this box. Like the Mike Schmidt, the Vladimir Guerrero rookie. Not too bad, not too bad. It was definitely fun. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to get on that 250 list for your chance to win 250 cards. I will see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great Sunday.